There were times I didn't want to live anymore. I was tired, lost, and scared. My life was falling apart, and I didn't see any way out. But even in that darkness, I prayed. I begged God to help me, to give me another chance, and He did.
There were days I doubted if He was listening. I questioned His plan. I questioned my worth. But through my tears, He was teaching me patience. Through my loneliness, He was teaching me faith. Slowly, God started rebuilding me, not all at once, but piece by piece. He reminded me that my mistakes don't define me, that His mercy is bigger than my failures, and that every breath I take is proof that He's not done with me yet.
So if you're watching this and you feel like your life is over, it's not. God still has a purpose for you, even when you can't see it. He's working behind the scenes. Don't give up. Don't let your pain convince you that He's gone, because if He can lift me up from my lowest point, He can lift you too. God is giving you another chance. Take it.